Assalamu alaikum. This is Ideas English Phonics Preschool 3 Reader Plus workbook, and today we are going to learn from page number 18. Children, on this page we are going to read, match and write 3-letter CVC phonics words. Look at this, children. This word is some. Listen again, children. This word is some. Listen one more time, children. The word is some. Now say with me, children. This word is some. Say again, children. This word is some. Now read with me, children. This word is some. Read again, children. The word is some. And this word is gum. Listen again, children. This word is gum. Listen one more time, children. The word is gum. Now say with me, children. This word is gum. Say again, children. The word is gum. Let's read this word, children. This is gum. Read again, children. The word is gum. And this word is hug. Listen again, children. The word is hug. Listen one more time, children. This word is hug. Now say with me, this is hug. Say again, children. This word is hug. Now read with me, children. This word is hug. Read again, children. The word is hug. And this word is bug. Listen again, children. The word is bug. Listen one more time, children. This word is bug. Now say with me, this is bug. Say again, children. This word is bug. Let's read this word, children. This is bug. Read again, children. The word is bug. And this is jug. Listen again, children. The word is jug. Listen one more time, children. This is jug. Now say with me, children. This word is jug. Say again, children. The word is jug. Now say with me, children. This is jug. And this word is gum. Listen again, children. The word is gum. Listen one more time, children. This word is gum. Now say with me, this is gum. Say again, children. This is gum. Let's read this word, children. This word is gum. Read again, children. The word is gum. Now we are going to read all the words on this page. Some, gum, hug, bug, jug, gum. Children, this word is some, and this word some is matched with another word some with a straight line. Likewise, children, you are going to match all the words. This is gum and this word is gum. Children, you have to match this word gum with this word gum with a straight line. This is hug and this is another word hug. Children, you have to match this word hug with this word with a straight line. This is bug and this is another bug. Children, you have to match this bug with this with a straight line. This is jug and this is another jug. Children, you have to match this word jug with this word jug with a straight line. This is gum and this is another gum. Children, you have to match this word gum with this word gum with a straight line. After matching the words, children, now you are going to write these words. This is gum. Children, you have to write the word gum here in between these 4 lines by yourself. This is jug. Children, you are going to write the word jug here. This is some. Children, you will write the word some here. This is gum. And children, you are going to write the word gum here in between these 4 lines by yourself. This is hug. Children, you will write the word hug here. And this is bug. And children, you are going to write the word bug here in between these 4 lines by yourself. Let's read all the words on this page again. Gum, jug, some, gum, hug, bug.